All right, DIY Dad back at it again, showing you how to fix a broken handle on a toilet. What we have here is a handle that broke, and that's tricky because you can't flush your toilet when your handle doesn't work without, of course, pulling it up yourself. Went to the hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's, anyone will have a cheap, easy, simple fix. They're all universal on how, as far as the handle is concerned, how you fix this thing. I'm gonna show you real quick. It's super simple. You may not need an adjustable wrench. And what we'll do is we're gonna loosen this nut on the back of the handle itself. And that will come right off. That will slide right out. And that's all of your assembly pieces, boom. This guy's our broken one, so let's take our universal handle straight out of the package. Take the back of the nut off of this guy. We're gonna slide this through, just like this. Take your nut, slide it down, and tighten her on. Sometimes she doesn't want to go. Talk to her nice, and we get her tightened on. And they're plastic. Most of these are plastic, so just be careful with it. Just hand tighten them when you go back. That's what I do. Is I'd start with a hand tighten there, and then you're going to take your chain. Some of them will have a little loop at the end of the chain. This one does not. It actually has a slot that fits through here, and I'll just pop that right. I'll show you. Right in. And so the handle will, when you push the handle up, boom, it allows your toilet to flush. Super simple. So if your handle breaks on your toilet, you can fix it yourself.